The dirty dishes pile up in the sink. The ones I ate rotibete out of look bloodied. Plates like leaves stacked up high. And then the music can come. Washing the dishes is my time of grieving. What will you do? Will you be okay? When I was in first grade, I was told to have compassion with this boy who kept chasing and pinching me. He is a boy. He's showing love, he just doesn't know how to. Boys are like that. I tried, but it was impossible to be his friend. I'm a person who loves a number of men. Washing the dishes is my time of grieving. At exactly 11 a.m., we all raised our favorite plate in front of our face. And we squinted our eyes and stared at it really hard. Until it became a portal. And then we jumped through. The only passport you needed for this travel was the invisible punch card of daily care work hours. What will you do? Will you be okay? Will you be okay when our anger shakes loose the powers that lay in us? What will you do when you sit at a table waiting for us to come back and we just don't? Because you see, darling, the thing about portal travel is that as you jump through the portal, you stop holding it. And so it falls, and so it shatters, and so it's not a portal anymore.